My name is Anna, and this year I started working on my YouTube channel. My name is Anna, and this year I rediscovered my love of reading. My name is Anna, and this year I started my dream degree at university in Japanese studies. My name is Anna, and this year I asked for help when I needed it. My name is Anna, and this year I hosted my best Halloween party ever with a Harry Potter theme, and I also built the Hogwarts Express myself out of cardboard, and the guests loved it, and it was really fun for me too. My name is Anna, and this year I started journaling. My name is Anna, and this year I finally got in touch with a long-lost family member after 13 years. My name is Anna, and I got through a health setback this year. My name is Anna, and this year I gained 1 full year of experience working completely self-employed. Happy New Year!